Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about cryptography and decryption techniques. Cryptography is a technique of secure communication that allows information to be transmitted in a secure manner. It involves the use of mathematical algorithms to scramble data into an unintelligible format, which can only be unscrambled using a specific key or password. Cryptography has been around for centuries, and its use has evolved to include digital communication. There are two main types of cryptography: symmetric-key cryptography and public key cryptography. Symmetric-key cryptography uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. This means that the sender and receiver must have access to the same key in order to communicate securely. Public key cryptography, on the other hand, uses two keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is freely available, while the private key is kept secret. Messages can be encrypted using the public key, but can only be decrypted using the private key. One popular symmetric key cryptography algorithm is the Advanced Encryption Standard. AES is widely used in industries such as banking, government, and military. AES uses a block cipher, which means that it encrypts data in blocks of fixed size. The key size used in AES can range from 128 bits to 256 bits, with a longer key size offering stronger security. Public key cryptography is commonly used for secure online communication, such as online banking and e-commerce. One widely used public key cryptography algorithm is the Rivest, Shamir, Adelman, Riza algorithm. URSA is based on the mathematical concept of prime factorization, which involves breaking down a large number into its prime factors. URSA uses a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. In addition to encryption, cryptography also involves decryption techniques. Decryption is the process of converting encrypted data back to its original form. Decryption can be done using the same key used for encryption in symmetric key cryptography, or using the private key in public key cryptography. There are several decryption techniques that can be used, such as brute force attack, dictionary attack, and rainbow table attack. Brute force attack involves trying every possible key combination until the correct key is found. This technique can be time-consuming and requires a lot of computational power. A dictionary attack involves using a list of common passwords and trying each one until the correct password is found. This technique can be effective if the password is weak and easily guessed. A rainbow table attack involves pre-computing all possible hash values and using them to quickly crack passwords. In conclusion, cryptography is an important tool for secure communication in the digital age. It involves the use of mathematical algorithms to scramble data into an unintelligible format, which can only be unscrambled using a specific key or password. There are two main types of cryptography: symmetric key cryptography and public key cryptography. Decryption techniques such as brute force attack, dictionary attack, and rainbow table attack can be used to convert encrypted data back to its original form. By understanding cryptography and decryption techniques, we can better protect our sensitive information and maintain our privacy and security in the digital world. Thank you for listening.